is Anya, and today I really want to make a cupcake with a hidden pumpkin inside. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 2 1/4 cup of flour, add 2 1/2 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 168 grams of butter, add 1/4 cup of oil and 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 4 eggs, 2 at a time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add a few drops of red food coloring and a few drops of yellow food coloring. Mix until well combined. Add half of the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Slowly add 1 cup of milk and mix until well combined. Add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Pour into a prepared pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. Once the cakes have cooled, using a circular disc, cut out rounds of cake. Using a pumpkin stencil, cut out a pumpkin shape. Place on a cookie tray. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 1 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 3 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Add in 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 large egg. Mix until well combined. Add in 1/2 cup of boiling water and mix until well combined. Pour the batter into a prepared cupcake pan. In the center of each cupcake, place a pumpkin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. For the frosting, I used my basic buttercream recipe, which I will be linking, and I just added a few drops of green food coloring. Cut into the cupcake and surprise all your friends with a pumpkin inside.